Snoring and Exploring. Well, not there yet. How about, right, Bucks? So after some serious overheating issues with my Jeep, spewed about, I don't know, 2 gallons of coolant out, I handed my trailer off to some random guy driving by in a green Jeep. Just bye. Never met him before. Maybe. And then, okay, so started driving and overheating instantly, smoking bad, and I realized it's really low on coolant. It's okay. Box comes back to save me, and we put a bunch of his coolant in, which is better than the super stuff that I use that is not that super. My Jeep is not liking it, and we made it around the corner, and that's gas. Oh gosh. Oh, how did that happen?
No, I don't know.
Oh my God, so are you gonna be able to cut that and then put it back?
It's the only choice I have.
Oh gosh, yeah, so, yeah, Snoring and Exploring. Why do we do this stupid hobby? Gosh. Anyway, we'll see you at the campsite. Ah. Well, we made it.
Yep.
It's now the next day. Took us 12.5 hours to get, no, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
But we made it, and I guess we can officially say we're at Snoring and Exploring.
2026.
Yeah, so we're gonna go out in the woods and get dirty. Hopefully, it's been pretty dry out, so.
Yeah, yep, we're supposed to be getting rain today, maybe.
With hail.
6 and 8.
Hail.
Not, maybe.
I'm gonna go with not.
Ah.
Yeah, sure. So, let's get at it.
That was so close, Willie.
No, I'm a trail leader now, but my Jeep it's done. Overheating.
Drag out?
What?
You need me to drag out?
This is the best here. Whoa!
Climb up that, turn into it. You got a nice little groove with the boosters. I don't know if it's the same.
Yep, so.
This quick.
So it looks like I have a mission to do before I put them over.
Only a day.
Only a day. Woo! Hot rod! Okay. So we're gonna have some really good footage from this weekend because I'm not driving my Jeep anymore. Yeah, she keeps overheating and now it won't start. Well, first it did this thing where it wouldn't shut off. The electrical shut off, but it wouldn't. And now it won't turn back on. So here's Box. Yeah.
Cool.
This TJ here is pretty good. I like our group. We got a couple of three TJs, ZJ, WJ, XJ. My XJ is broken down. And then we have 2 JKs. Yeah, buddy.
Solar powered.
Solar powered. Woo! Man box, I'm so angry about my Jeep.
That sucks. That really sucks.
We got a trip to AOAA coming up and it's not gonna make it, so I either not gonna go or have to do a motor swap.
So we're doing a motor swap.
Yeah. Not just a motor swap, but a stroker, so we gotta figure out tuning and stuff, so.
If you got any suggestions, comment.
Let bleep bloop. At some point I might hop in with you because you got no doors and it's easy to hop in and out. That helps.
Like, why the hell isn't this going up?
Lockers help.
You don't need them.
But it helps. You don't need lockers, but it helps. And you can also go running in flip-flops. But, you know, running shoes help. I thought there was an obstacle here. There's a nice little group with us.
Yeah, we're gonna be fine going down that trail.
I think so. I wanted to go down that trail so bad. Nice. Big John. Come on, Tina, let's go.
It's like riding in a Cadillac.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Tuna was so close. Yeah, it's dragging a little bit. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Can you get it? More than you do.
Woo.
Find a non-gear spot.
Yeah, woo, 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 woo.
There you go, yep. Yeah, driver.
Oh,
That's the line, that was all slider. That
oh man. Hope
was,
you're,
that was a good hit on the slider. But it was all...
Oh.
That's the line.
Oh! Jesus!
I just heard it.
Yeah, hold on.
Yep, you got a U-joint.
And the brake line. Oh, brake line, severed a brake line. How do you still have brakes? Progress report, it's not even 11 o'clock. Uh-huh. Yeah, I thought it was 3 in the afternoon. No, we're, you know.
Fixing shit.
We got this going on. How you doing, Bucks?
Pretty good. Yeah.
This,
Losing concentrate, man.
Yeah.
this is fun. My Jeep's broken too. I'm gonna keep saying that.
Jeep. That happens. Zoinks, Scoob. Get out of here.
Zoinks.
Oh, you changed the brake line already?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I gotta get you guys all lunch.
The bill will be in the mail.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Look, I come full. Look, I even if you break that one, I have 2 more.
We're just gonna try to avoid that and re-hit the drawing board after this.
Yeah.
With that brake line.
All right, after that fiasco, we're gonna get going to some black trails. 'Cause that's what we came here for. Well, not me. My Jeep's still broken.
You just got that big ass rock up front. That's just your D-ring and your bumper.
Woo! Nice.
Get a girl. I just had an urge to put my foot under your tire.
Don't do that.
Just want to see how it feels.
Whoop! Light love tap. Nice.
I forgot where I'm going.
Now go right. Yep, you're all right. Oh! I gotta get in a running area. Sketchy seeing one tire slide and the other not. You're good that way. You can even straighten it out, I think. Yep. Woo! Jack, you're gonna need to catch up the box and change his battery on his camera. And that clip thing is right there. You got that. Jack, you'll have to get the first part of the group and I'll have to get the next part. Yeah! Putting those rock slides to use. The door swinging open is just priceless. I love it. Standard life?
Tell everybody it's a manual.
Yeah, it's manual, I swear. Yeah, it's a manual LS, I swear to God. Part of your fender's coming off, no big deal. Might pop your tire. Go full driver and forward. Yep. Now you can come back this way. Straighten it out now. Straighten it out. Yup, nice and easy, straight. Yup. Yup. Yes, sir. All the way that way. Now, as soon as you crest, start coming back this way. Now back this way. Yes, sir. Keep it this way, you got it. Joe, what are you doing to the log? Just cutting it down for later, huh? That looked nice. Yeah. Heck yeah, brother. John, I thought we were gonna drive off the stump. Vote in the comments if you think he should drive more aggressively and break shit.
Now you can start making your corner. You can go more passenger if need be. You got room. Easy peasy. You can push through it, don't you worry. Slide down though. Like a glove. Can you steer a little bit passenger when you go up that? If you peek your head. So, yeah. Come driver. Oh, all right, I get you. Hold on, Cash. Oh, he's got the underglow for the daytime too.
What?
He got the underglow for the daytime too. He's a real Jeeper.
The cameras.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. Think I got underglow on it?
Hell yeah. Because I want to see you drive into it. If Willie can pick his own lines and get stuck, so can you. Come on, Grandma. You're in the same rock as Willie. You turtle enough for the turtle club.
That's putting me in a bad spot, isn't it?
No, you're good. You can start making your corner. You got more than enough room. You're golden. Maybe just drag your diff on that rock a little bit, but
Like that?
yeah.
Good.
I'm just a vehicle slut today. Now I'm in a Nissan,
Yo.
doing Nissan stuff. We finally made it to the Black Trail after the rock garden of death. There's a tree. Oh, you got that? Maybe? Maybe? Oh yes.
Wow.
Yeah, brother.
Oh, I'm gonna have to maneuver for this one.
Huh?
I'm gonna have to maneuver for this one.
Oh, should make the trail loop around on the outside here.
Yeah, I think. No, it doesn't go up property.
Oh, okay.
Pull out another back window.
No, you're good. You're good. Yep, so I hope nobody steals something from my Jeep. I again went back, keys were left in the on position.
Oh, jeez. Well, it doesn't have any power.
Doesn't have
so
any power.
It's not gonna kill the battery, at least.
No, I turned my cooler off too. So
Good idea. Yeah.
I'll have to load up the cooler in, on the trailer. Yeah, alright, okay. Roll these sweet tires. No? You got it. Stay, yeah. There's a rock right here. Yep. There you go. Back there. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. You're gonna swing right over. Okay, that's a spring. That's at least spring. Yeah, brother. Sick. Yup. Yup. Yeah, you can call full driver if you need to. Climb that rock. Yes, sir.
This guy fucking cheated.
What do you mean?
Do it.
Yeah, I got it on camera.
I don't believe it.
Yup. Sick. Yeah. Take any way you want over that. You're clear. Let's go full driver if you need to. Not even a problem. These guys might have better, with the short base, might go through here better. Yeah, bumper. Okay, reset. Try and get your. Oh, actually, you got that. Never mind. You've driven this thing before, huh?
Yeah, like maybe a dozen years.
Just tell me to shut up then.
No, it's fine. I still screw up a lot.
That's how you learn. Nice.
I didn't like that tree.
Getting that tree out of here anyway. finding a tiny bit of fun for you.
A little bit.
Oh! Nice. Yeah, this is gonna be a good climb. Yep. Yup. Yup. Nice. Watch out for that true. Watch out for that, my muffin. You got a big rock. I don't know if you're gonna make it up and over that. Oh, oh. There it is. Yeah, you're on it. Okay, look back a tiny bit. Now you can come this way. Perfect. Yep. Oh, you're clear. Nice. Yep. Oh, lifting tire, brother. At least he didn't honk the horn like most keepers. Oh gosh.
Back tire's caught up on the
Oh yeah. Yeah, if you can go.
Can you,
Put this in. How does this go in? Oh, oh. Hold on. How do you put this in? Hey, oh yeah. You're clear of the tire in the tree now. No? Oh, yeah, you have a mirror. From here it looked clear. Woo!
well, they passed the mirror somehow. We're gonna have to review that.
Gonna have to review that.
Forgot to turn my lock on.
That's what's going on. Okay. Woo! You're just on your frame rail. Right underneath you. You're so close to that window. Do you want a winch or?
I'm gonna try and get down and come up these other two.
Yep. Yep. Oh!
That was violent. Hey, maybe I'll go up right here.
That was all bumper, luckily.
Wow.
Or a subframing bumper.
That hurt. Not a competition. You don't got a break too.
Yes, yes, exactly.
You were the one who's supposed to lead us.
I'm supposed to be leading. You're doing a great job, Box.
Holy shit.
How was that ride?
That was something. That was something.
You made it up this year.
I made it. Kind of.
You just in all 4 holes. Yep. Hi, buddy. I'm sorry I left you. Sorry I left you, Biscuit. Woo! You almost need to give it a little bump through it. Sucks it's trees right here. Hold on. Okay, you're good. Oh.
That was my window.
Did it? The door?
Door window, yeah.
Oh no. I didn't even hear it. Oh, watch out for that. Oh yeah. Oh.
You're on the tire. Your tire's falling off.
Little turn action on those fenders.
I didn't streak
It just sucks you that way. Oh yeah.
clear and money.
Yeah, there you go. Yup. Now hook back over this way. Yeah. Drive shaft. What happened there? Drive shaft. Oh god. Oh yeah.
Hop over that.
He's trying this way. Did it really get your window and your door? Oh man, I didn't even hear it.
So the window is literally still there. I can slide it up and down.
Drive the tire closer to that tree that lost
He's got tint on it?
Yeah.
The tint's holding it together.
Yep.
There you go, turn up.
I heard it as it's the body goes into it.
It's not your day, huh? Oh.
I wish I was holding the camera and just held the tire off the ground around that whole turn.
Oh my dude, he looked like he was going over.
This is not the first time.
We like to break things a lot.
Probably won't be the last time.
Wait, you get drive shafts?
Yeah, I love drive shafts.
The drive shaft's not a problem. I'm worried about your track bar, dude.
Shaft side. Yeah, that's fine.
There's no proper track in the woods.
Yeah.
So
I'll just track wherever I want.
no, the Jeep will track wherever
Yeah,
it's just one.
I'll just follow it.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't care. I don't care if the axle stays centered under there at all. It's just gonna go where it wants.
We're gonna pull you up here.
He's gonna try and drive until he can, and then we're gonna pull until. Yes.
We can't.
Thank you. Come on, Biscuit. Yeah, it's track bar moving. Go ahead.
Come on, Biscuit. Come to me.
I don't know if we're gonna get it out of here. No, you're fine. Okay. Let's see what it does. We're gonna break ratchet straps. What we're gonna do? Easy walk.
As soon as we saw a redhead over here touching stuff, we knew it was fine.
Yeah.
What?
I didn't do
As soon as we saw
shit.
a redhead touching stuff, we knew it was fixed.
I didn't do anything.
Oh yeah. Look at that sucker turn.
Oh my god, it's turning.
That's like the most turning I've had all day.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Don't mind us. We're just a bunch of idiots in the woods driving in circles, breaking stuff. As long as you don't go in front of a moving vehicle, you're fine. You're not in any of our way.
Don't tell Biscuit that.
But yeah, Biscuit does not care about going in front of vehicles.
He's like, you guys all have wicked good ground clearance. Give it a shot at me.
But he's also in 4 low all the time.
Ready to crawl.
Woo! Did the same thing you did, Box.
I could not wheel a man.
No?
I've had 2 knee surgeries. I won't be able to walk for like a week.
You should wheel mine manually. You just leave it in first and you don't have to touch it.
Yeah.
And it's got a super hard clutch on it.
Does it? I can do it for like a weekend,
like I could drive, like I had a Fox body, I could drive it out for ice cream on a Sunday and shit and be fine. But just doing this all day long,
It's not that bad.
no.
When you're geared correctly, it's not bad.
That's what I'm doing next. I'm doing horizontals. I have a 4.5-inch lift. So
On it?
No, this is a 2.5. But I'm gonna do the 4.5 SYE and the 488.
Oh, nice. That's what I got mine for you. I got a 4-to-1 transfer case too. It'll make you have a clutch before the rear drive shaft. Hand clutch for the rear. Oh! What was that? Did you just land on his bumper?
Performed amazing.
They do good. The concepts do pretty good too. I think all tires do good with the right environment.
The boggers suck compared to these.
Yeah.
These are like the best tire I've ever had. And I don't know if it's the size, but they just have so much fucking traction.
I do that. Right to the face. Yeah. Like all day. How's that? Taste good? He's just getting caught on the back tire, huh?
I do have an extra pump.
No, he's got a PSC.
I have one with me. And reservoir.
A PSC? What is that?
You want to buy it?
I think it's on your belt. Your belt
Oh, there it goes. It's fine.
That helped me rip my cage out of this, rescuing me. Hers is electric. And it'll shut off and on. It's like she'll floor it and then it sounds wild.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks.
He's like, you didn't even try. What the hell? You gotta go backwards.
Well, we got 3 vehicles taking the drive of shame. Yep, drive of shame. Me, first one to break. Then we got Tommy behind us. His track bar broke off. We welded it on because someone had a generator and a welder. So someone had a generator and a welder, so we were able to weld it for an hour. And now we're going back to camp. I got Willie too. He doesn't want to break stuff. Heading back to camp to weld some gussets on there, and my Jeep is toasted. Head gaskets. I mean, it's driving now, but it keeps getting air in the coolant system and building pressure and not, yeah. So, drive shame.
Two more shots.
Yeah, I got you with the cable too. Yup. It's so slick, it's got to be like a little bit of a momentum thing, I think.
Yeah, you can't roll that.
No.
Yeah, but I gotta give a bump.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
3 seconds. 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 3 seconds Oh, there you go.
Bump that a little. Bump that a little. Right there. Right here?
Yeah. Yeah. Keep at it, keep at it. Come on. Yeah.
Back up the foot.
Pull cable. Yeah, point it up that if you can. Oh. That's the line, I think. Right there.
You can aim just, that direction. For just a moment.
Your bumper. Oh, what is that?
Oh, no, that's frame rail coming down, or controller, or something coming down on that rock.
Oh.
I saw a little puff of dirt.
Oh.
Rock.
Yeah. Tree behind you.
You already got that tail light.
Oh.
It's like that fucking tail light, man.
Yeah.
It's a big fucking wall. Yeah.
It's a big wet wall.
Yeah.
Well, if you get some chainsaw, cut the trees down so it dries and it's so, it's cool because like I said, yesterday we walked that other day. Wait.
Yeah. Drag it. Drag it.
Well, we even got stuff. We went down there last night. That's way different than it's
Go straight right there, right up the pile of rocks.
Yeah, and that trail, when it rains hard, that trail literally...
You want some winch?
Yeah.
He's just gonna go.
That's what...
I like that.
This one? Really?
Now cut over, yep. And cut back.
Oh!
Yeah, follow through with it. You got it right there. That's the line he took.
Keep going forward.
Wrong forward.
Wrong forward.
Let it slide you over more driver.
Yep.
Left and right, left and right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
I'm gonna stay right behind this tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Good job,
What are you talking about? JK's, buddy. JK's.
Go. Wait. I didn't dig it up.
That's how you go straight up.
Doors are going back on,
It's supposed to rain again.
and we're also going home.
Yeah,
After what?
my seat is dry after
Dry.
last night.
It was, they did some night wheeling. We all stayed around the fire. It poured.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, we literally had like 3 inches of water right here at our site.
Hopefully we got you some good lightning shots, because that was pretty cool. If not, still shots are better.
Yeah, I guess either lightning or wind hit a tree over here and took down the top of some of the tree and hit a old CJ and took it out.
Unfortunately.
Oh, yeah. But what a wild weekend. Not so much for me. I did lots of hiking.
Yeah. New motor time.
Yeah, I guess I got 4 weeks to put a stroker motor in, and yeah.
Any advice or tips on that?
Yeah. Let me know. Let us know. Let us, I don't know. We don't know. But yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys.
Have fun. See you next time.
See ya.